Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to remove or turn off contact suggestions on TikTok. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the TikTok app on your phone. Click on your profile picture at the bottom right. Now go ahead and click on the menu icon at the top right. Locate and click on settings and privacy. Underneath it, locate and click on privacy. Now under privacy, scroll down, locate suggest your account to others, and then if you want your account to be suggested to other friends on your phone contact, turn on contact. On Facebook, turn on Facebook. And then for people who open or send you link, then turn this on. However, if you want to turn off contact suggestions on your TikTok, just come to it, say sync contact and Facebook friends, and then disable everything you have here, and then you're good. If you have already synchronized your contact before, just go ahead and click on remove previous synced contact, and then click on removed. Once you click on remove, then you should see contact removed, and that is it. So that's exactly how to remove contact suggestions on TikTok. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.